Hey everyone, welcome back. Just downloaded Uber or got logged out and not sure how to get back in. Here's exactly how to log in into Uber step by step. Takes about 20 seconds. First, download the Uber app from your app store if you haven't already. Search Uber in App Store and then install it. Open the app and then tap sign in at the bottom of the screen. On this next screen, enter your phone number, including your country code. Then click continue. Uber will send a 4-digit verification code to that phone number as a text message. Go to your messages, find the code from Uber and come back to the app and enter the code. You do not need to type a password every time. If Uber asks for your email and or you have an older account with password, you can also type sign in with email instead and enter your email address and password there. After logging in, your saved payment methods and ride history will be exactly where you left them. So all you've got to do is open Uber, tap sign in and enter your phone number, get the code by the text, enter it and you're in. Subscribe for more